What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be somewhat of a vlog, and it might be broken up into a couple pieces just because today I just got out of work about, I don't know, an hour ago, and I'm on my way to go drop off a rug, and then I have a rug to drop off tomorrow, and then another rug to drop off in a couple days. So this video might be broken up into a couple days, but yeah, so the purpose of this video is just going to be to bring you guys along and come with me to go drop off these rugs. So these rugs are commissioned rugs from people who live in LA, and I thought, why not deliver it to them personally, meet up somewhere in downtown LA or Little Tokyo, Chinatown, somewhere around that area, and yeah, get the reaction. So yeah, follow me, and let's head over to Little Tokyo and let's go drop off this rug.
I'm never petty, but today I got time.
So yeah, we have some good news and we have some bad news. The good news is I was on my way to drop off the rug. Everything was going fine. I was listening to music, and then out of nowhere I noticed my car starts trembling more than it usually does. So I'm like, wait a minute, put the volume down, and then I was like, oh shit, I have a flat. And yeah, I have a flat. Check it out. That there, ladies and gentlemen, is a flat tire. Pretty bad. So yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna wait for my friend to come pick up the rug, and then I'm gonna fix the flat. But yeah, what a way to start the vlog. Yeah, this is the rug. Don't mind my flat tire. All right, so tell the people what you ordered.
Alright, so I got my photography and videography business going on. Visuals by Chepe, as you guys can see.
There it is.
Told them to make me a custom rug with my logo, with the Chepe, with the shutter speed.
All right, check it out. Here it is.
Gotta hit up my boy,
Let me know what you think.
And before I see it, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Y'all
Damn.
tell me if it's fire.
Let me know what you guys think. Check it out.
What
Put it
you
down.
think?
Put it down. Put it down. Let me know.
Right here, but damn, bro, that shit is hard.
Clean, huh?
That shit is
Check it out from
fire.
this side.
Oh, yeah. That came out just like my logo.
Exactly,
You can see
like
it
the
right
same.
here.
There it is.
There it is.
Woo!
So, I mean, this is top quality material. So tap in with my boy. Get your
Yup.
custom rugs
Yep. Let me know.
before prices go up.
Before the prices go up.
Because once prices go up,
It's over.
it's over. But I appreciate you, bro.
Of course,
Shit came
man.
out hard.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, so my brother came to the rescue because I forgot that my jack was messed up. So look at it. I don't live too far away. But yeah, man, I sold the rug. The rug, he liked it. I'm glad he liked it. Now I gotta fix his bullshit. And basically, I'm going to invest the money that I want from this rug to fix my fucking tire. God damn it. If you guys don't know how to change a tire, make sure you know how to change a tire. Because I know there's a lot of you out there that don't know how to fucking change a tire. Now this video is going to become a how to change your tire. So what you got to do is make sure you loosen it while it's still down, and then once it's loose, lift up the jack, and then you take off the nuts, replace the tire, put it back on, and yeah, so let me do that. So now that you guys loosened it up, put up the jack, now you can simply take off the nuts with your hand, and then once you take them off, you replace it with the spare tire, hand tight the nuts, drop it, and then tighten it down with this. So I'll get back to you guys once this is done. All right, so now basically I'm just hand tightening these nuts. Do this a little bit. One important thing you want to do is when you tighten it, you want to tighten it in the cross direction, so you go opposite of what you're working on. So once it's on, loosen it up, drop it, and then you tighten this one more time. You make sure it's on tight. And that's it. Job is done. And there it is. Super cold outside. I'm a little tired. But yeah, so now you guys know how to change your tire. Did not expect this video to turn out this way, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Now we'll figure this out tomorrow morning. Like I said, most likely the money I gain from this rug is gonna go into a new tire. So I'm sad about that, but whatever. You live and you learn. What is up, guys? Another day, another adventure. Hopefully today nothing bad happens to my car or me or anything on my way over there. I just got out of work. Now I'm gonna head over to go drop off this second rug. I'm really excited to go drop this one off just because I really enjoyed making this rug and I really like the outcome. So I'm eager to see what their reaction is. And yeah, let's hope for the best and let's head over there.
Yeah, I'm never petty, but today I got time. Cause this bitch been talking crazy on my line. Trying to take me to the...
Alright, so we're out here in East LA. If you know East LA, then you know East LA. And if you don't know East LA, then you don't know East LA. Hopefully there's parking, because it looks like there's no parking. And I don't want to be in the middle of the streets. So dark.
Huh?
I said it's so dark.
I know.
So here's your rug.
Oh my god.
It's pretty big, I'm not gonna lie.
Holy shit.
Check it out. It's pretty dope, huh?
Dude.
You
This
just put it.
shit looks
Yeah, it looks clean.
fucking sick. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna be this big.
I didn't expect it to be that big.
That
either.
big either.
Yeah, but it
No,
came out. It
not
came out really good. Like I really liked it.
It looks so
So,
amazing.
Yeah.
I'm so impressed, dude. Not
Yeah,
that I
it's dope.
wasn't. Not that I wasn't.
No,
but
yeah, like I surprised myself at times too.
Dude.
So, yeah. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Just dropped off the rug. All I have to say is that she really enjoyed it, and I'm really happy she enjoyed it. I'm happy that people who get rugs off me are content with the finished product, especially if it is exactly what they asked for. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go drop off another rug. If we don't drop off another rug, then I guess this will be the end of the video. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I definitely do not mind dropping off rugs like this, especially if they're from LA. So if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if I don't drop off a rug tomorrow, just know that, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, I'm out. Time to get home safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.